Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today, out of the request of one of my followers, subscribers, alright, I do take requests. Alright, he's not able to actually install his third row seat and asked me to do a video on how to do it. So here I am. I removed this seat and I did hit a little bit of a snag. The bolt broke. So apparently before I bought this car, the previous owner, most likely sent this to a shop to have these seats removed and the interior fixed up, because the whole interior looks very clean for a 13-year-old car. Alright, so what I did see is that, and I hope you can see it, the bolt is cross-threaded. Alright, you can see that it's not straight. It didn't go in straight. So when it comes out, it doesn't come out straight, and using a bit of force and it broke. And this is what I'm left with. Alright, and the thread was not, I couldn't thread this in. This is the one for the front. I couldn't thread this in. Alright, so what I did was I measured this is a M10 1.5, and fortunately for me, I have a rethreading set with me. So I used this 1.5 M10 and I rethreaded this, and I did manage to find a different bolt, slightly thinner, that fits in as well, and it bolts in nicely now. Alright, but I hope the length of the bolt is enough, because it's about half of what it is already. Alright, I hope it is enough for me to bolt it back. Alright, and you are probably wondering, besides my fan request, why did I took this out? Okay, the seat is over here. I given it a shake and I found a source of rattle in my car, which is a old 50-cent coin and a 5-cent Singapore coin. Alright, so one thing I can say is, in this car I've managed to find Singapore coins as well as Japan coins. So this car has gone to more countries than I've ever gone to. Yep. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to align this bracket to the arrow here. Now, since the seat is not installed, you do not have the arrow on the rail, but what you need to do is push this down, slide it to the point where you feel a nudge. Okay, I feel a nudge over here, so just rock it back and forth till you center the rail to the nudge. Okay, keep it there, and now we bring the seat in. So once you got it roughly in, just put this bolt in first, roughly, so that it doesn't come out. Okay, then put this in as well. Then what we do is we put it down. Okay, so it doesn't align, but it's okay first. Alright, what we want to do is we want to bolt this side up first. Okay, once you have those holes aligned, we take this one out. Bring in the seat belt. Okay, so you put it in this manner, where the bolt goes in from this side. Alright, this manner. Okay, make sure your seat belt is straight. And then we can tighten the back as well. Okay, so once we have those two tightened, what we'll do now is alignment. Okay, it doesn't go all the way down, and we see that it has moved. So the first thing we need to do is we need to align the top part here first. So make sure we feel that it's touching. Okay, so raise it up. So we have this over here to actually unlock. Okay, so we have gotten that. Let's see. Okay, it locks. It locks well. Okay. Okay, so what happens if you have already adjusted the top there but it still doesn't align to this? It means that this thing, this bottom bracket here, this bottom mount here most likely has been moved. So how do we adjust that? Very simple. Okay, what you do is you press this down, pull this towards you. Then you press this down and pull it away from you. Okay, so now this is in the lock position. Press this down and you can move it. Okay, so adjust it to however you want it. Okay, then what you do is push this down to unlock, push this down to unlock. Then you drop the seat and see where it lands. Okay, if it fits, it fits. If it doesn't, readjust this again. Alright, again, very simple. Press this down, pull this. Same goes with that side. Then to unlock it, push this. And we're done. Simple. Alright, so to install this probably take about 5 to 10 minutes and you only need one person to do it. Same goes with uninstalling it. I will put a link down in the description on how to take this out, because I've done the video on that already, and this is how we install it back and align it. Okay, so as usual, if you like this video, give me that. If you dislike it, give me this, but leave us a comment down below on how to improve further. Alright, so if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell button so you get notified on our future uploads. Till next time, I will see you again. Oh, I forgot, I still need to install this portion, right? This one goes on first. Held on by 2 clips, so just align the clips. Then we'll install this. This one goes into the hole over there. Okay, you might need to pull it up a bit. Okay, then align all the clips, press it down. Good. And then we just need to install this by just plugging it in. Okay, we're done.